Hey guys, this is a review on the Viking saddlebags. This is the unboxing. I found these bags on their website with a 40% off clearance coupon. The rep that I was talking to told me that these bags are determined on what bike you have. After a couple questions, that turned out to be false. The bags are universal fit. They do come with mounting hardware, which is universal fit. They only sell one type of hardware, and this hardware is designed for my V-Star 950. So I paid 40% less than I would have if I got the bags that were designed for my motorcycle. These will fit my V-Star with no issue. This is the double strap slanted saddlebag. It does come with 2 buckles and a quick release buckle down there. Velcro on both sides. This is the large model. It comes with the inside pouch that is good for keys and your cell phone. Pretty large compartment. My research online was that all of the bags that they sell, this clearance model and the model designed for my V-Star 950 are the exact same size. The mounting holes are the exact same, and the hardware is all universal. So save yourself time and money and try to find something on their clearance list. I will post a video once I get the bike, or once I get the bags mounted on my motorcycle. This is Michigan, so that's going to be about 4 more weeks. Alright guys, see you later.